Hello everyone. How are you all? How's your day going? So today is the first day of Ramadan and I'm making a very super simple recipe, but it's very delicious and packed with protein. So stay with me. I'm going to make protein balls with dates. So instead of regular dates, we like to eat these protein balls, and the ingredients are super simple. You can find it in your house already, or if you're going for Ramadan grocery, you can find it in any store. The main thing that is very helpful in making this recipe is the chopper. I'm using my Ninja Professional, but you can use any chopper for it. So let's get started. Let me show you guys the ingredients that I will be using so that it's easier for you to follow. Here I'm using mejdool dates. Some nuts I'm using almonds, pistachios and cashews. You can use any kind of nuts. Then I'm also using peanut butter, chia seeds and cocoa powder. I add cocoa powder because my daughters love it this way, and we also need coconut. So first step is to take out all the seeds from the dates. You can also get pitted dates if you want to save some time. Then put it in the blender, the chopper, along with all the nuts that I showed you. I'm using almonds, cashews and pistachios. You can use your choice of nuts, and then start blending it. I like to use my Ninja Professional because it has this dough attachment which makes it super easy to mix everything, because dates are kind of sticky. So if I don't use that option, everything gets stick together. After that part is done, I'm going to add chia seeds, cocoa powder and peanut butter in it. You can find the written recipe in the description box below so that it's easier for you guys to follow. Now I will need some nuts that I'm chopping, doing a coarse chopping. This is my nut chopper. See, it can do fine and coarse chopping both. It's super easy to do with the handle. Just you turn it around and it chops, and you will see in a minute why I need these nuts. So just stay with me. So here I'm starting to make these protein balls, and I like to use this ice cream scoop so that all the protein balls turn out to be the same size. Once you take out the required amount, make an indentation in there, put the chopped nuts and then roll it into a ball form. Make sure your hands are properly washed. I wash my hands one more time before doing this step. Now we are putting it into crushed coconut. Make sure you coat it properly, and now it's ready. It's a super simple recipe packed with nutrients and proteins. So if you liked it, make sure you like and comment on my video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. You can put it out on your iftar table or store it in a jar and eat one a day. You can eat it even when Ramadan is over because it's so good. Your kids will love it, your guests will love it, everybody's gonna love it. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.